When I made that decision to go natural, I really made it wholeheartedly, and it was deeper. It was deeper than hair, and maybe some people don't have that connection with it. But I'm gonna show you what I used to wash my hair, my body, my eyes, my teeth, my shoes, my bum, my everything. This is African black soap. This grows out of your head naturally. What makes it so foreign? Why? Why is your ponytail looking like this when your hair is the size of my head? Why, please? The lady was ripping through my hair like as if she was eating chicken. It's not beneficial. Master. Hey. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gold Coaster Beauty. So I saw a video by Living with Osa and I thought it was a really great topic to discuss, and I just wanted to put in my little 2 cents. So in summary, she was basically discussing the fact that she had seen the huge transition of a lot of naturals going from natural to relaxed, and the main reason was basically frustration with their hair being hard to take care of. And it wasn't just 4Cs, even those with looser curls were sort of struggling with this natural hair thing. And she was basically just reaching out to everyone and asking, what are the struggles that you guys are facing? She doesn't want to see any more ladies go from natural to relaxed, and just let her know like what's going on, what can she do to basically contribute to this and reduce the amount of ladies that are getting their hair relaxed. Why? First of all, I think this transition is a reflection of the individual's motive. I think with most things in life, it's all about the motive. Like, why are you doing what you're doing? What is the reason behind what you're doing? And I think if we maybe delve deep into ladies that have went from natural to relaxed, it may have just been a craze for them. It might have just been, I just want to join the movement to see how it's going. I just want to see how my hair looks natural. You know, everyone's doing it, let me just try it. But for other people that you may still be struggling with your natural hair, you may still find your 4C hair, 4Z hair hard to cope with, but you're still persisting through because you have a deeper motive. For example, myself, I have been relaxed since day one, and it's quite interesting because I'm speaking from a perspective of not like an African American or a second generation. I am a Ghanaian. I was born in Ghana. I grew up in Ghana for a little bit and then came here. So even with that, relaxer is all I have known. And then one day I took a decision when I was about 17 or 18, and I said I wasn't going to relax my hair again. That was back in the day, I think 2009, 2010. People like Black Onyx, who's still on here. We had African Export. Oh my goodness, that just brings back so many memories. These are the ladies that I was following and that were inspiring me to go natural. And for me, I had also watched the Chris Rock video on the what was really in these relaxers. The thing that sort of, I guess, annoyed me was, so we have this group of people that are creating this product and pushing it on this other group of people to accept it because this is how you should look like. So this group of people is creating a product that this group of people are not using, maybe because this group of people know that it's harmful, but is pushing this product on another set of people that now has become their identity. You have to have the straight hair, you have to have, even look, I don't even know, you know these edges everyone keeps doing? I have been here for like a year and I'm like, how do I don't know how to do this thing. I'm too basic for myself, right? I'm just gonna accept it. Anyway, I think it's all about motive, and for me, my motive was this stuff is harmful. And yes, there's a lot of things that are harmful. That don't hit me with that line. Don't hit me with that line. And yes, you can, as people say, you can have healthy relaxed hair, but it's more than just relaxed hair. And as I delve more into my history, as I delve more into my heritage, you have to understand that yes, it may just be just hair, you may just look at it as just hair, but really in the entirety of the whole situation, everything trickles down. It all boils down to self-identity, it all boils down to heritage, it all boils down to history, not knowing much about your history, a sense of belonging. It's just deeper than it is. And even when I go back to Ghana, relaxed hair is the majority thing there. It's only now that a lot of people are coming to do natural hair, but even that, everyone thinks, well, everyone says natural hair is painful. Well, I don't blame them. If you guys saw my vlog, the lady was ripping through my hair like as if she was eating chicken, you know. And there is not a lot of education on how to deal with natural hair, even back on the continental Africans. Do you understand? So it's a transition that we're all going through. I do hate the thing about natural hair being difficult, natural hair being difficult, and this idea and this narrative is being perpetuated. It can be challenging, but damn, like, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? I feel like people just need to keep it simple. It's not that deep. Excuse me, it's not that deep. Yes, you may want to use your avocado and do your deep condition, but like, why make it long? Why make it long? Let me show you something. I'm gonna show you what I use to wash my hair, my body, my eyes, my teeth, my shoes, my bum, my everything. This this massive thing right here is African black soap. It's huge. This is not even the biggest one I have. I take a bunch of these from Ghana. I bring a bunch of shea butter. Up to you as an individual. I think you are overcomplicating it. You guys are just overcomplicating it. It doesn't have to be so difficult. Like, people have like 16 steps to your wash routine. Of course you're going to find it hard. Of course you're going to see it as a chore. Just like with anything in life, let's say you want to lose weight. And then all of a sudden you're like, oh, I'm going to cut out everything. When you eat like 16 bars of Snickers a day and then you just cut everything out. Ugh, it's not probably the best way to go about it. Not everybody can cope with that. But if you say, okay, I'm going to have one Snicker bar a day, you have to incorporate these things into your routine. So if you normally wash your hair once a week when you're relaxed, wash your hair once a week now that you're natural. Use the similar products. You only need 3. You only need 3, really. You need something to wash it that makes some fruits, that makes a puff, that makes soapy. You need a conditioner, and then you need some sort of moisturizer or oil. Like, I want to see that you guys are not trying, but I can't say that. And I don't want it to be a situation where we are bashing people that are relaxing their hair, because honestly, a lot of them look really nice. Like, you've been natural for 6 years and now you have relaxed hair and it looks really, really cute. But some of them, that it's like this is the ponytail. Why why is your ponytail looking like this when your hair is the size of my head? Why, please? I just, and as Lebanon also said, I would love to help as well. Let me know what it is that you guys want to see. I do try and keep my natural hair out quite often, but as she also expressed, after time my hair is in braids, my hair is under wigs most often. But let me know what it is that we can do to help. I really want to help. What is it that you're struggling with? I have 4C. I'll try and put a video or footage in here. I have the 4C of the 4Cs. Even though some people look at it and be like, oh, your hair looks, no, it's, I feel like the benefits trump, don't know if I want to be using that word, the benefits trump the disadvantages. And I think that there's nothing that my natural hair cannot do that your relaxed hair can. Do you understand? If that was the case, then I can understand the argument. But you can straighten your hair, I can do that too. You can curl it, I can do that. I can do everything that your relaxed hair can do. Yes, I may have to go through a bit more maybe a few more steps or processes, but whatever your relaxed hair can do, my natural hair can do. But the thing is, I have the benefit of having a big afro that your relaxed hair just can't get to. And I think a lot of things that I've seen online from a lot of people that have went from natural to relaxed is they realize that the volume of their hair isn't there. Oftentimes it depends on who relaxed it, to be honest, because those people that have been relaxing and they use the comb and be combing through like my mom used to do when I was younger, it's not beneficial. It's not beneficial. So yeah, like, if really there were more advantages of having relaxed than natural, maybe so. But again, as I said, it boils down to deeper reason. And another thing is, there is a few people who are like relaxed around the edges and then natural. so that they can have leave out. My sister, it's 2018. There's something called a closure, there's something called a lace front, there's something called a frontal. You can buy Amazon, £30, you can get yourself a lace closure, you can get yourself a frontal. There is no need why you need to leave your hair out. That argument I will never understand. There's no reason why you need to leave your hair out. There's actually no reason. So if that's not even an argument for me, to be honest. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, it's easy and oh, it's so simple sometimes, and braid outs and all this. It's not simple always, but it's not that difficult either. It's just not that difficult either. I don't know. I just would like to know what you guys think. I would also link Living with Osa's video down below, because I think she makes a lot of valid points. And I think it's good to look at her video and also look at some of the comments. Actually, let me read some of these comments. I think that'd be a good idea as well. I said it before and pissed a lot of people off, but I don't care. A lot of naturals jump on the bandwagon and now they're jumping off. Going natural is not a fad, it's a lifestyle change. You have to prepare yourself for it, because our hair is unique and requires a different kind of total love and care. I will never put a relaxer in my hair ever again in my life. I love the fullness that having natural hair gives. For me, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. I totally agree. The pros totally outweigh the cons. I've had struggles with my natural hair and challenges, but to be honest, I've never thought, oh, I'm gonna relax my hair. I've thought of dyeing it, I thought of cutting it. You guys know I cut my hair last 2016. I've cut my hair twice, I've colored it, but I've just never wanted to relax it. It's never crossed my mind, because I think when I made that decision to go natural, I really made it wholeheartedly, and it was deeper. It was deeper than hair, and maybe some people don't have that connection with it, but for me, it was deeper than hair. And some people are taking the little, like, I'm not relaxing, I'm just text-laxing, I'm just out, I'm just removing my curls. Same difference. But it's I don't want to say it's sad, as I said. I just think it's disheartening a bit, because I personally didn't think it was a fad. I didn't think it was this trend. I just thought we're all becoming more accepting of how we were born and being more educated into the reasons why we do the things we do. So it can't just be just hair. It cannot just be hair. Our hair is unique. There is no other type of people that have hair like us. You know, skin like bronze, hair like wool. I would love to help as well. As Living with also said, I would love also to help. Let me know what it is that you guys are struggling with. What is it? What is it? Is it the moisture side of things? Is it the styles? Is it, I don't know. What are you struggling with your 4C hair? What are you struggling with your natural hair that we could do to make simpler? We could make more videos about it, because I don't think these issues are that huge to let you go back to relaxed hair. And for me, yeah, it may be about the chemicals, and it may be about the impact it has on your scalp, but just like, why not just, this grows out of your head naturally? What makes it so foreign, should I say? I heard a lot of people say, you know, I don't suit my natural hair, and it's like saying you don't suit your skin tone, or you don't suit your nose, or you don't suit your lips, you don't suit your eyes. These are things you're born with. This is you. So you can't tell me that you don't suit your natural hair. You may just have to try different styles or manipulate it this way or that way, but you can't tell me you don't suit your natural hair when it's something you've been born with. I don't know what to say anymore, guys. I'm sorry. I had to do that. You know who that was. Shout out to my Kente.